Okie dokie. Now your headlights a little bit orangey or a little bit foggy. I will show you a quick way to restore them the easiest way possible. So get a wet rag, just wipe it down lightly and give it its initial clean. And now is when the magic happens. Who would have thought engine oil would be an excellent cleaner? Get your dipstick, just wipe it down once or twice, and look at that. I don't know how good justice the camera is doing. As easy as that. So the comparison is, that's a clean headlight, this is a dirty one, like brand new. And the only thing you need is a little bit of engine oil. But you can see that the left headlight that I cleaned is nice and clear, nice and white. The right one is uncleaned and it's a ugly orangey colour. So yeah. Okay, so this is the final result. The headlight looks brand spanking new. Now I'm not sure how this works, but it seems like the engine oil seeps into the polycarbonate lens and it just clears it up magically. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that.